what we do here is in a way a sort of melody. We walk a rhythm, we start with this caring quality, we have this, we bring something, then we have this caring quality again, then we have this sunset, sunrise experience. And to finish, we have this, everything finds its meaning, its goal in this experience of, just being there, being receptive for oneself, for becoming oneself. And when I can invite you, please join again. And now we start again with this major quality of going out. We are connected with our heart. We feel the collarbones. The left leg makes a straight step forward. The right brings me a little bit out of the center. The collarbones move into the clavicles in the lower arms, the upper arms, lower arms, hands, fingertips. And then we have this arriving, receiving. And to let it stream down and perceive what it does to us. If we stay in contact with ourselves, not only with the streaming down. Breathe. And now make a little step forward or backwards. Try that we have the left arm coming down very slowly. So the right arm is going with the streaming down, and the left arm loves to experience the streaming down so much. It doesn't want to go into the house. It stays in the garden and wants to see how the stars come down or whatever you experience. So we try it once again. Left, right, foot, hips, clavicles, lower arm, upper arm, lower arm, hands, fingers, fingertips arrive. Arrive, and now the right arm goes with the arriving, and the left arm perceives the arriving. The legs close. And then let go. And breathe. So, my suggestion is you do not hold your arm there, but the arm just doesn't want to go in because it's so much to experience. It's streaming down, and it's really only very, very slowly comes down. And only that far. One, and the left arm just goes down. We try it one more time. And don't worry if the one arm is too quick or too slow or whatever. It's just what we try, what counts. Left, right, feet, hips, clavicles, lower arm, upper arm helps, lower arm feels supported, hands steer, fingers enjoy, fingertips want to go further and further and further. And our heart feels welcome. Close the feet. The right arm accompanies the streaming down. And the left arm only very gently goes with it, stays in it. And try still to sense the streaming down. Then return to your center first with this arm before letting go. And now, a short time ago, I tried to show you the figure, and my idea is that this streaming down, what's coming from down, can even from below come back and support the other arm, which wants to, perceive or be in what's coming down. That we make, even after having streamed down half a circle, supporting the other one. Take all your time. We try it maybe 1 or 2 times. We will see. Left, right. Feet, hips, clavicles, lower arm, upper arm, lower arm, hands, fingertips. My heart out there. Close your feet. Right arm goes with the streaming down. The upper arm only very slowly comes along with it. Go through the spheres down there. And the upper arm still feels what's coming down, and the lower arm supports it. And take a little bit of time to enjoy what's happening in your left arm. And then return to your center. Let go. If you manage, or if it works well, then the left arm develops new feelings. It's not, I have to stand there, but so much going on there. We do it at the very end. Once again, you got the idea, and trying out takes time. But every try counts fully, not the success. We are working on a different system which understands what we are trying. And now we do the whole sequence, the whole melody. I'll show you, it's so easy. We have done every single bit. Arrive at your heart. Sense your heart. Let the space in your chest react to being perceived. Sense your clavicles, your shoulder girdle, the roof of your house. That the roof is protecting the house, that it's not getting moldy and stays alive. And then left step, right step, feet, hips, shoulder girdle, lower arm, upper arm, lower arm, hands, fingers, fingertips, my heart out there. Close your feet, and now only stream down. If you need space in front to walk, just go backwards. Bring your hands in front of your heart. Concentrate on this loving mood in your lower arms when you open them, and make the steps at the same time. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. Arrive at your center, at your heart. Take a short time. Let your heart react, open up. The upper arm sense into the space behind. Bring along what they find. Keep it as a treasury close to your body, but the hands speak about what's in there. You can return to your heart first if you want to, reflect on what you have experienced, and repeat. Upper arms, your backpack, your spirit living in your upper arms as potential, ready to be given. Two more times, each time a little bit higher, whatever height you like. And even if you stretch out your arms, the sphere of the upper arms still is close to you. The hands only speak about it. And last time, behind, you bring it through yourself. The upper arms are still in your focus, but you end up in a triangle of light. Return to your heart. Arrive also now. Open up the lower arms in this loving, caressing gesture. And at the steps, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. Arrive. Have a little bit of activity in the hands. Turn the hands upwards. Create this mood of sunrise. Turn your hands downwards. Sense your body. What is it doing with your body? Turn your hands upwards and the hands may rise as much as feels good for you. Upwards. And the hands turn back. What do you sense in your body? Sunset, perhaps. Turn your hands, sunrise. And all what you are interested in is what's happening in my body. Sunset. And maybe a last time, sunrise. Can I feel it? Sunset. Return slowly to your center. Sense how your arms are doing this. Breathe, feel your clavicles. Let the arms go down. Left step forward. Right to the side. Feet, hips, clavicles. Lower arms, upper arms, lower arms. Hands, fingers, fingertips. My big heart. Close your feet, right leg comes in. The right arm goes with the streaming down. The left arm only comes down very, very slowly. Really touch the earth with what has been flowing down. And only from there start to support the other one, which is still perceiving the streaming down constantly. Let the left arm come in and protect it with your right hand. Thank you so much. Relax. Sense your body, your heart. Breathe. And slowly sit down to listen to the resonance of this whole sequence, the whole melody, what we did, addressing our caring for harmony system, our autonomous vegetative nervous system. What does the belly feel like now? Upset or quiet? Did it like it? Does it like it? What do you perceive? How does it change? If there's something going on, would you call it fiery, liquid, grinding stones, flows of warmth, flows of colors, sounds of music? How would you describe the spaces in your body now, in your belly or anywhere else?